we are open to that. Before coming into this meeting hall, President Ruto was ushering me through the various stalls that were here, and he's a very good salesman. He was, all morning he's been trying to sell me Kenyan tea, Kenyan coffee, avocados and all that. So as you see me, I'm full of tea as it is now, of Kenyan tea. So the opportunities are enormous. And as he was speaking up the opportunities, I want to reiterate that indeed we just see great opportunities, and opportunities that straddle between the private sector, opportunities as well as the public sector, opening up the Kenyan market for both our state-owned enterprises as well as our private sector. But similarly, President Ruto, I'd like to say we want to open up also South Africa's market for your goods and services, and indeed for your public sector companies that can come to South Africa to do business. So in the end, it should be a two-way process. I was also particularly pleased